How to install your Wi-Fi smart window camera. Before getting started, make sure you have the camera, power adapter, the USB-C power cable, and the included magnetic adhesive rings ready. This camera is designed for indoor installation on a window facing outdoors. Connect the USB-C cable to the port located on the bottom of the camera. Then plug the power adapter into a wall outlet. 2 magnetic adhesive rings are included. The smaller ring fits closely around the camera lens for a more discreet installation. The larger ring helps reduce reflections and glare in areas with strong outdoor lighting. Choose the option that best fits your space. Place the magnetic adhesive ring around the camera lens. Remove the protective film from the adhesive. Then position the camera on the window at the desired height and press firmly for a few seconds to secure it in place. Once installed, the magnetic mount allows you to easily remove or adjust the camera whenever needed. Done! Your Wi-Fi smart window camera is now installed and ready to pair with the Next Home app.